for that wonderful dance bringing to life Professor Helu's family's poem that we must move forward together as a city. We cannot do it individually, but collectively this afternoon and for the future moving forward. We now shift into a short but provocative session that asks us to take imagination seriously as evidence. What if our capacity to imagine different futures was not something soft or abstract, but critical input into policy? What if imagination helped us design for realities that don't yet exist, but urgently need them? The dialogue explores how imagination can sit alongside data and analysis in shaping more inclusive, creative, and anticipatory governance. I ask ladies and gentlemen this afternoon to welcome Dr. Gina Cole, writer and speculative futurist, and also Mwanaidi Roko, policy advisor at the Pacific Islands Forum Secretariat.
Yeah, she's over there.